Hi folks, my name is Aakash and I'm a data scientist, right? So in the previous video we left here basically. Okay, all right. So in this video we'll be going to understand how many unique job titles here basically here. Now, if you want to understand here, first understand that we want to retrieve a job title first, right? We have to extract the job title column first. So we have taken when job title is equal to salary data frame, slicing operator, and particular column name here, basically, right? So if you want to calculate number of unique job titles, what you will be going to do? Unique, you will be taking one. I have taken the one variable, folks. Whatever you think, you can write it this variable name. Okay, it's not like you have to write like this itself. Okay, you can take any variable. Job titles dot n unique, so you will be getting the unique titles, job titles here, right? So next thing is you have to understand is what are the top 5 most common jobs. Now you have to extract here job title and you have to calculate the counts, right? So what we have done, we have taken the data frame here, we are retrieving the particular column name here, and we are taking the counts of that value of that actually, right? Job title values, right? So with the job titles, what we are doing is we are taking the top 5 most common jobs. So we are doing head of 5, right? As I told you earlier, head of 5 is nothing but top 5 records, right? So see here, so the same thing we are getting here. As expected transit operator, we got 7036, right? What is the count, right? 5 most common jobs, like most common jobs is this: 1 2 3 4 5. Transit operator, special nurse, register nurse, public SVC, and public police officer. Okay, these are the things. Now next thing you have to understand is how many job titles were presented by only one person in 2013, right? So here understand, first you have to check that sal of year, you have to check that, right? Which is equal to 2013 or not. Understood, right? Just understand the problem, right? I'm doing is make you to understand the problem first, understand it, and how to write to put the condition over here. I'm my end goal is not to teach you like into my end goal is not to teach you pandas in the depth. My end goal is to understand the problem statement with respect to how to write, how you can write the possible condition here, right? So this is the thing, right? So sal of year, in that if it is 2013, you have to count the number of job titles with only one occurrence. Okay, only one occurrence you have to do. So what for that, what you are doing is you are doing here value counts here. Okay, unique job titles unique 2013, in that you are counting if it is a one occurrence, then find the count. Okay, so you will get it here. See what I am doing is, what is the job title counts which have only one occurrences. Okay, we'll get the values first, then we are just finding it out the number of occurrences here. Okay, so that was a basic idea here. So filter rank the data set for the record 2013. Okay, so we want to like how many people have the word chief in the job title. Okay, so what we did is I thought that we can apply it through regular expression. So what I did here, salary of that particular column job title, we are checking that whether the that particular data set contains a chief, right? It is containing the chief or not. So, and another parameter we are writing here regex, and we are considering it as a case as a false, right? So we are doing for that which particular column job title. So we are just particular uh, finding it out the count. So we are printing the chief count here basically, right? So this is a particular thing exactly here. Now what we next we are doing is basically we are trying it out the correlation between the length of a job title, string, and salary, right? So what we are doing is title length. So what we are doing here is we are applying the lambda function here. Okay, so you will be not writing separately a function, and so shorter with the shorter things the our functionality will be achieved. Okay, so what we are doing is for this particular column we are applying, okay, dot apply, we are using this lambda function, lambda one variable name, length of that particular column. See, x, it will be converted into the string, so that is only the str of x. So which variable we have taken, that will be converted, like it will be going to check the like what is the length of a string. Then first, next is we are calculating the correlation. Then next is we are finding the correlation between the title length and total pay benefits, and we are just trying to find the correlation. So we are just printing it out like what is the correlation between this to a title length and total pay benefits actually. So we are now next thing is our main key idea is here we have to do this basically here to print the table and find the correlation here. So this is all about like how you can find use this pandas library so effectively. So this was about it. So let me know in a comment section below, so we'll come out with the different case study as well.